ยมกนามาปีบสมมัสกาเยรันปูหมดปทอขนมทั้งนี้สมหมอแนนวมก็โดยเชียบังหายโดยสลายเปียปอนตะนังมีเรียนพิซองเลยขนมปทอสำหรับพุทธศาสนาเนื้อศึกษาดำบงนะสำหรับแล้วก็พุทธศาสนาสำหรับเนื้อศึกษาดำบงOkay, Buddhism for beginners สันตเนียบุญยังดอลเวทีบุญเนี่ยตาเลยยังโจtừ ตามด่านทั้งออกนี้ทำไมศึกษาเปี้ยก็โดยจีบานดังเรื่องราวคละเปียปนตนังปวดปวดโอเคในเพียบบุญแล้วก็สันตเนียเพียบบุญนี้ยังปีพิธีบุญจรดเปรนังกัลPloughing Festival. Okay, Ploughing Festival. Okay, did anything wonderful take place in his childhood? Did anything wonderful take place in his childhood?ตาមានរឿងអស្ចារ្យអ្វីខ្លះកើតឡើងក្នុងជីវិតកុមារភាពរបស់ព្រះកុមារ A strange thing took place at a flowering festival. A strange thing took place at a flowering festival.មានរឿងចម្លែកមួយបានកើតឡើងក្នុងថ្ងៃច្រត់ព្រះនង្គ័ល Okay, what happened in the flowering festival? What happened in the Ploughing Festival តើមានអ្វីកើតឡើងក្នុងថ្ងៃបុណ្យច្រត់ព្រះនង្គ័លនោះ Okay, on a festival day the king with the baby prince and his nurses and many others went to the field to plough. On a festival day the king with the baby prince and his nurses and many others went to the field to plough. នៅថ្ងៃបុណ្យនោះព្រះរាជានិងព្រះបុត្រមួយអន្លើដោយស្រីស្នំនិងអ្នកដទៃទៀតជាច្រើនបានទៅកាន់ទីវាលស្រែដើម្បីប្រារព្ធពិធីបុណ្យច្រត់ព្រះនង្គ័លWhere was the prince placed? Where was the prince placed? តើព្រះកុមារគង់នៅកន្លែងណា He was placed on a couch under a rose apple tree. He was placed on a couch under a rose apple tree. ព្រះកុមារគង់លើកម្រាលមួយក្រោមដើមព្រីង Who was watching him? Who was watching him? តើមាននរណាមើលថែរក្សាព្រះអង្គដែរឬទេ The nurses who was watching him. Later they also went aside to see the ceremonies. The nurses who was watching him. Later they also went inside to see the ceremony. មានស្រីស្នំមើលថែរក្សាព្រះអង្គប៉ុន្តែក្រោយមកពួកគេទុកព្រះកុមារចោលហើយនាំគ្នាទៅមើលពិធីបុណ្យ What did the prince do when he was those left alone? When did the prince do when he was those left alone? តើព្រះកុមារបានធ្វើអ្វីខ្លះនៅពេលដែលព្រះអង្គគង់នៅម្នាក់ឯង The thoughtful prince sat meditating on the couch. The thoughtful prince sat meditating on the couch. ព្រះកុមារបានអង្គុយពិចារណាធម៌នៅលើកម្រាលមួយ Was it a strange thing? Was it a strange thing? តើមានរឿងរ៉ាវអ្វីចម្លែកដែរទេ It was certainly a very strange thing for a little child. It was certainly a very strange thing for a little child. គ្រានោះមានរឿងដ៏ចម្លែកមួយបានកើតឡើងចំពោះព្រះកុមារតូច What did the king do seeing this strange sight? What did the king do seeing this strange sight? តើព្រះរាជាបានធ្វើអ្វីខ្លះបន្ទាប់ពីឃើញហេតុដ៏អស្ចារ្យនេះ The king was so pleased that he saluted him, saying, "This, dear child, is my second salutation." The king was so pleased that he saluted him, saying, "This, dear child, is my second salutation." ព្រះជាសពព្រះハរតីស្របសពព្រះតីខ្លាំងណាស់រួចក៏បានថ្វាយបង្គំព្រះកុមារព្រមដោយពោលពាក្យថាកូនសម្លាញ់បិតានេះការថ្វាយបង្គំលើកទី2ហើយអូខេនេះគឺជាសំណួរដើម្បីធ្វើលំហាត់អូខេសម្រាប់ការរំលឹកឡើងវិញតើគ្នាឬក៏ញាតិញោមបើចង់ចេះនិយាយភាសាអង់គ្លេសអាចនិយាយរំលឹកភាសាឡើងវិញដោយយោងតាមសំណួរនេះក៏បានដែរអូខេអានភាសាឡើងវិញអានជាសំណួរទេ Did anything wonderful take place in his childhood? What happened in the Ploughing Festival? Where was the prince placed? Who was watching him? What did the prince do when he was thus left alone? Was it a strange thing? What did the king do seeing this strange sight? Okay យើងមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងសូមអរព្រះគុណនិងអរគុណ Thank you so much ជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូក្រោយទៀតនឹងធ្វើជាបន្ត